Understanding fault in Indiana slip and fall cases. When it comes to slip and fall cases in Indiana, the concept of comparative fault plays a significant role. This theory essentially allocates fault between an injured individual and the party deemed responsible for the mishap. In Indiana, if an individual slips and falls, a jury will assess the percentage of fault that rests with the injured party. Any damages received by the injured party are then reduced by that same percentage. To illustrate, if a jury determines that an individual is 10% at fault for a slip and fall and assigns $100 in damages, that person will actually receive $90. While other forms of fault exist, Indiana primarily uses comparative fault. However, contributory fault kicks in when a government agency is involved. Under this rule, even 1% of fault attributed to a plaintiff prevents any recovery. A jury's responsibility involves two main questions. First, they consider whether the property owner knew or should have known about a dangerous condition but failed to address it. Second, they scrutinize the actions of the injured party. Were they careless, maybe texting or ignoring warning signs? Store owners may claim that an individual wasn't paying attention. The counter argument can involve pointing out that overhead for sale signs or other advertisements are designed to keep customers from looking at the floor and assume that there is a safe walking surface. Experienced slip and fall attorneys make it their job to maximize compensation to their clients while minimizing fault. Many common defenses imply that individuals should always be looking down while they're walking, yet stores aim to draw one's attention eye level or higher, which makes this expectation unreasonable. Allocation of fault can reduce the compensation for an injured party. If someone has been injured in a slip and fall situation, hiring an experienced slip and fall attorney is so very important. We know that victims of slip and fall injuries often experience extreme frustration at their circumstances. Allow the Marc Lopez Law Firm to turn that frustration into compensation. Give us a call, 317-632-3642.